Hello students, welcome to geography class. So today's our topic is settlement pattern. So first of all, what is the meaning of settlement? Meaning any place where people live and work for their families is called settlement. So this is definitions. Any place where people live and work for their families is called a settlement. So settlement, broadly, it can be temporary and permanent. First one is temporary. Second one is permanent settlement. So temporary settlement we can mark with of their hollow square. This type of settlement for their specific purpose like hunting, searching food, shifting, cultivation, etc. And now the permanent settlement, it is marked with of solid sphere. And these types of the settlements for a long period with their families. Now on the basis of pattern, it divides into three groups. First one is nucleated, second one is dispersed settlement, and third one is linear settlement. So we explain on there one by one. First one is nucleated settlement. It is also known as the compact settlement. This type of patterns, the houses are close to each other. This type of settlement found in of their lowland area, coastal area, mining, industrial area, and cities. Now the second one of dispersed settlement. These types of settlements, the houses will isolate over a large area. So this type of settlement found in mountains, in their desert area. Often there is the adverse climatic condition, lack of water, poor soil, etc. Now the third one is linear. These types of settlement pattern, all the houses are along width of canal, width of road, railway track, etc. So now these are the basic group of the settlement pattern. Now we can take the one example how to find it on the topo sheet. So this is the example. What is the settlement pattern in grid 97, 87? So this is your map. Here is giving the number of 91, 92 up to of their 98. So these are the easting number, and this side of giving the number of like this 73, 74 like this of, and up to of their 88. These are the northing number. So first of all 90 we take of easting number 97. This one is the 97 and this one is the 87 of northing side. This one grid is. So here is all the settlements, all the houses are there in isolate form, and our answer is dispersed settlement. You can write off their scattered settlement. So this one is the answer of. This is the scattered dispersed settlement. This one is the answer. So I hope you understood of this topic now. Thanks.